Okay, so this JMIA, it is broken out of this base in here. Now this stock is only 3 days old, and it's come from 18. But if there's a short squeeze on this thing, you know, perhaps we could see it take a pop in here. My stop would be under here, 36.38. I'm long at 36.58. Let's see if it pops. This thing can really go if they squeeze it. We're long this at 58. I'm going to sell a quarter of the position here at 37. There goes the JMI popping now over 37.10. I did sell a bit at the 37. Let's look to sell a bit more in here, 37.50. Oh, there's a pop on it. So we sell another quarter of the JMIA at 37, around 37.60. Looks like it's going to get squeezed in here. There was there was some that somebody had posted that another chat room was shorting this stock, but this is the front side of the move. Like, why would you short this stock in here? There's nothing to indicate in here that this is ready to be shorted. This is still the front side of the move. It's an inside day today. You know, these two big pops inside day until this thing rolls over and starts to head the other way. There's no reason to be looking to short this stock. I'll be looking to sell another quarter around, I'm going to sell a few more around 38. Just sold another 200 shares at 37.85. Let's let the rest run. There's 500 shares left. Look at this thing go. This is nice. We're in this at 36.58. It's up to close to $2 from our entry level. I'll look to sell a little bit more around 39. I'm going to stop it under. I thought I was recording. We can see, I have to redo this because I was recording this trade. So we can see this is wave 1, 2, 3. If this is wave 4, look for wave 5 to take it up into 39. On a measured move basis, we have this from 33 to 37. That's $4. So from here, 35.75 should take this up to 39 or so. It traded to 38.50, so a bit short of that. This move now from 36 to 38.50 should take this to $39, $40. So look for the next move here to take this stock up to 39 or 40. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 to 39. Now if it fails in here, I had said my stop was in around here. around 37.50. But if this is the start of the second wave, or fifth wave, pardon me, 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth wave, look for this to trade up to 39. Okay, I'm watching this JMIA in here. We still have 500 shares left. I think maybe under 37.25. That'll be my exit on it. But if this is wave 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, let's see if it can pop through this wedge that it's forming in here now. The stock was consolidating in here. It was forming this wedge. Now it's popping out through. Watch this trade up to 39 now. We'll sell some stock at 39. This traded within 2 cents of my target, traded to 38.98. I had 39 as a target, but I still think it'll trade up to there. My stop is going to be if it breaks below this trend line here. It's in this channel now, this rising channel, so I want to just keep trading this as long as it stays in this channel. I want to stay in this trade if it stays in this channel. That's how we can make the big money, is just by staying in the trade. Let it run. I was looking to sell some at 39. I missed it by 2 pennies. So to draw this channel line, we can see that the stock popped up here, made a first pullback. To get the most accurate position now for a trend line, you want to use the first pullback dot, and then this next one is in here. I mean, we could use this like this as well, but I don't think that gives us an accurate picture. So normally what I do is after the stock started to form a pattern, then I use the first pullback as my first dot for the line, and then I connect the dots. And I could also go like this and make it parallel to this one, but I'll just use this for now. If it breaks below this channel line here, then I'll exit the trade. I mean, this could be a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now fifth wave consolidation. Problem with fifth wave consolidation is it's not as reliable. But I mean, we've got a pretty good trade here. You know, we had a 36.60 entry, 36.58 entry, sold 400 at 36.87, 400 at 37.53, 200 at 37.86. We've got 500 left. $37.50 is going to be my stop. So, you know, I mean, it might have to fan this out. It's not coming off sharply. It's consolidating in here. These are actually candles of indecision. So you get this big sell-off, and now we get a candle of indecision here, and this one was a candle of indecision. That quite often indicates that there's going to be a change in direction. These candles here, they don't know which way to go. The market is fighting each other to decide who's going to win. So we'll see if it holds this trend line. If it does, we'll stay in the trade. And we'll try and get some off at 39. For now, this is holding the trend line in here. If it rolls over and breaks that trend line, then we'll look to get out of the trade. But it could be forming a wedge like this now. Let's see if it pops. On the JMIA here now, if this fails to hold 38, then I'll sell the balance of my position. It really is just fanning out. It's not breaking down yet. But it really is just fanning out. When its stock crashes through the trend line, that's when you need to sell. But for now, it's just consolidating in here. So if it breaks the trend line, which it has, then I just have to keep fanning it out. The problem is the more times you fan it out, the more likely it's going to fail. So I'm all out of the JMIA. You can see, as I was saying, I was fanning it out, and the more times you have to fan it, the more likely it's going to fail. And then it did break through my the trend line there, so I just bailed out on it. But nice trade. I mean, that ended up to be a good trade. You enter it at 36.58, 36.87, 37.53, 37.86, and I just missed my target of 39 by 2 cents. I should have been a bit more aggressive selling up there, and then it broke down, and now we're out. 37.56.